It's not necessary to react to everyone and everything. You must be in control of processing what comes in front of you calmly and not instinctively. Learn to respond and not react. Feelings are like huge waves crashing. You stand at distance, and you will see it just flattens itself and touches your feet gently. Do you know the difference between the people who are swayed, tossed around, and smothered versus people who touch these crashing waves gently by their feet at distance? These calm and composed people keep a distance from their fleeting emotions, and that's a skill so crucial that it constitutes about 80% of their progress and success. You need to be like a piece of land. Dark clouds, white clouds, no clouds, nothing should bother you. You must guard your inner peace fiercely. I travel extensively and meet some of the very successful people, and the common thing I see is that when these people incur any loss or setback, they just go calm and don't react at all. It is found that when you are calm, brain works at optimum frequency. The prefrontal cortex that is most active when there is calm, which allows you to come up with magical solutions. Your peace of mind is the real power, and you can train your mind to have that power. You need to withstand the 90% negative influences that surrounds you. Be it social media, news, politics, gossip, and so on. The only solution to be calm is to learn the skill of mindfulness and practice it every moment. You don't have to be the loudest person constantly chasing validation. You don't have to project yourself as all-knowing and powerful. You need to understand the dichotomy of power. Instead of you coming up as knowledgeable and powerful, you expose your emotional weakness of reacting to anything and everything. The best way to start practicing mindfulness and ultimately calmness is by doing this very simple exercise. Sit in a comfortable place or a chair with your back well rested. Slowly close your eyes and just focus on your breath. Bring your focus on the tip of your nose while breathing slowly. Feel the air swirling and touching your nostrils, and then going in. Focus on air coming in and going out. If your mind wanders, slowly bring it back to the tip of the nose. Your monkey mind will try all tricks to bring you out of this peaceful state, but it's only your conditioned mind trying to talk you out of it. After 3 minutes of this breathing, start to say internally, with every inhale I take, peace, harmony, and love in. And as you exhale, say all stress, worry, and problems are expelled out. Just let your mind be the watchman who just monitors the various thoughts that come in and leave. No interference at all. Just observe if a feeling of happiness comes or a feeling of a thought as to what am I doing. Be there and don't react. Just let them float while you look at them, standing at a distance. Mind you, you will find it very difficult in the start, as you have been conditioned for years to act on impulses, and your mind has become too good at reacting. You need to break this cycle and train your mind to establish dominance and make it obedient. It should be like a trained pet, and not like an untrained one who needs you to be running around to keep in check. This also requires right belief system. You are here to create a great life rather than react and be at the mercy of your untrained mind's defaults. If you think you are not able to focus on things, then there is an exercise to enhance focus. Just watch 3 objects in front of you. If it's a chair, look at it, focus on it, and say, "This is a chair," at least 4 times. And meanwhile, keep on focusing on it and nothing else. Then the same way for second and the third object. This teaches our brain to anchor on things we need to focus on. These are neuroscientific hacks that will make you capable of being more focused. You have to learn to fight excuses and take 100% responsibility for your actions and results, and also if they don't come. So if you are facing any such problem, call us on the helpline given. You need to own your ignorance before dismantling and replacing with mindfulness. When you start embodying the reality by mindfulness, you will start to see people acting strange with you. They start to see in a different light. And to strangers, you are that mystical and magical being that is so reassuring, even when you are quiet and not responding most of the time. Your mind cannot erase what you have learned, but it rewrites the mind program over the existing ones. But the calmness is the medium where it rewrites new mind programs, and not the other way around. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. These videos are rewiring your mind for huge success. So learn to be calm, respond, and don't react at all. Your power lies in your calmness. There is an African quote, "Conquer the enemy within, as the enemy outside cannot do any harm." So take these nuggets of gold and take your life to the next level.